Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Design Zero on YouTube, where, where everything is made with love in every stitch. Okay? Now, I'm doing a one word a day created by Rebecca, who is Create with Becca here on YouTube. And I have tons to catch up with her, so y'all gonna be seeing these little numbers here. So, here's video one, and day one is flower. Let me put my little number back where it goes. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to take this as my background, and it does fill up my whole card here. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to take my pencil, and because this has texture on it, and I want to see how well it sticks with our glitter glue. So in other words, it's like a little experiment slash project. So, whoops. There we go. And as you can see, I punched out one of my little flowers on this. Okay. So let's put this back in its spot so it doesn't get misplaced. And we are going to, maybe tear a little bit off. After all that cutting, right? So we're going to put this over here. So let's get this all glued on. Okay. So we got that glued on. Now I want something up here. And then I'm going to try to see, because I have these three little flowers here. One is cut the same cut. Well, they're all the same color. So I decided maybe I would use the rose here. All the roses right here with the butterfly. I never noticed they had a little butterfly on there. So we're going to put that like that. So I'm going to glue it. Like so. And we're going to put that right down here. Yeah. I'm going to put it at a slight angle. Like so. Okay. Then we're going to take the bigger butterfly here. And put it like, make like this the sky. And we're going to put the butterfly in the sky. Now. Put this butterfly up here. What do I want down here? And this word of the day was from November 2nd. So I have the date right here. So what I'm going to do when I'm done is put the date right on the back with all my information. Okay, what do I want? I got to bring some more color in here. What about a border? We have a border here that we can put on the side. And we're going to see how it looks. If it doesn't look the way I want it, it's not going to go. I like it, so let's go with it. And how far up do we have to put the glue? Right there. Better to mark it than not to, right? I leave the top part on so I have room to make it, keep it straight. So here we go. We're going to trim that off. I like that. So, what else can we add? I'm trying to go by what's on my desk. So, we'll see what happens. We're going to see what happens. I have no bling over here, so we can't add no bling. I see no bling, let's put it that way. Well, we're going to have to call this one done. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please check out Becca's channel, which I will try my best to link down below in the comment section of this video. Once it airs, I'll go back and put all the links that I need to put in the comment section. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and remember, you're in a place where everything is made with love in every stitch. I will see you all in the next video, and on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.